this look, I am going to start with a transition color, and I love using a transition color because it'll make the look be easier as a guide. You know, whenever you use a brown, you know what you're going to start out with after you finishing up. So that's why I use a transition color as our crease color. Now I'm going in with a blue, and I'm going to add the blue into the crease, blending out very, very well. Then after the blue, I decided to go in with a black. I love using a black in a cut crease. It's just like my signature. Like, even if I didn't use a black in a cut crease, I would use it in a regular look. So it's my signature looks. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this concealer. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. Of course, it is important to set your concealer all the time because you don't want it to crease. Now I am going in with this pretty teal color, and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner and half of the lid. Then I went in with a pink eyeshadow from the eBay 180 palette. I don't think I mentioned this yet, but I am using the eBay 180 palette. It has so many colors. It has mattes, brights, shimmers, metallics, you name it. So I'm just using the champagne pink. And then after I'm using a champagne pink, you guys, I just went over with a nice champagne color from the palette, another champagne color that's kind of like similar. So I just kind of did like layer them together. Then I am going to be taking a gold color from the palette, and I'm just going to apply it right into the crease. And to say in a corner, okay, in a corner. Then I went back and kind of touched up on some shades. Then I took a lighter hot pink and I applied it right into the outer V, just to give a little bit of definition. Normally I would go for a black, but I was like, it's time to switch it up. So I just decided to switch it up. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking some eyeliner. Of course, I already started on the other eye, but I decided to start on the other eye as well. So I'm taking some eyeliner and I'm going to be applying it to the upper lash line.